Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must confirm your device and iOS meets satellite iMessage requirements, then enable location, cellular, and iMessage in settings. Once done, go outdoors where you have an unobstructed view of sky. Satellites need line of sight. Position your phone skyward and keep battery healthy because the radio exchange uses extra power. Make sure you have your emergency contacts and recovery info ready. They streamline the initial handshake. Start the connect process from messages and follow prompts to begin satellite pairing. You'll initiate from an active message thread. Tap connect to satellite when messages offers it. Then follow the on-screen guidance. Move your phone to align with the satellite icon and hold steady until the connection bar fills. This step creates the secure relay. Once aligned, messages will compress and send your text via satellite. That's why you see short, concise prompts. Make sure to remain in the guided aiming window because interruptions force a retry and add delay. After success, you'll get a delivery confirmation. Complete by confirming the message shows as delivered. If it didn't, hit retry and repeat the aiming sequence. If link fails, move to a different open area, wait for a clear sky, and try again. Sometimes a small reposition fixes line of sight. You can also toggle iMessage or briefly enable airplane mode, then disable it to reset radios. If problems persist, record the time, GPS location, and actions taken. Then contact your carrier or Apple support for deeper diagnostic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.